guys, welcome to Meals Make Memories and welcome back to those of you who have joined me here before. Now today we're going to do a Rate That Recipe, which is the series on this channel where I test out viral recipes to see if they're really worth the hype. And today we're going to be testing out soft cereal. And here is how you make it. Peel a ripe banana and mash it down to a pulp. Add 1 cup of rolled oats and a tablespoon of maple syrup and mix well together. The resulting mixture will still be moist and slightly sticky to the touch. Heat a frying pan on medium heat and add the banana and oat mixture. You don't need to add any oil or butter to the pan. Lightly spread the mixture out and leave to cook on one side for a couple of minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can flip it over and allow it to cook on the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes. After this time, just like scrambled eggs, break up the mixture into smaller chunks. These will become the soft cereal clusters. Remove from the heat and serve. You can personalize these with your own toppings such as nuts, berries, but I recommend that you stay watching to find out my final thoughts on this recipe and also my serving recommendations. Now, texture-wise, it's giving kind of like underbaked flapjack or maybe dense kind of pancake. I'm not sure that this is something that I would pair with milk. I tried it this morning with some oat milk and to be honest, I wasn't really that impressed. I think the flavors were really good, but it feels quite desserty. So this is probably something that I'd put with a Greek yogurt. I think that would make a bit more sense. Or even just, maybe just like a snack on the go. It would be a really good snack for babies actually. Flavor-wise, incredible. Considering the fact that there's hardly any flavorings, there's literally just one banana. For those of you that don't like banana flavor, I think it's actually quite subtle. And the 1 teaspoon of maple syrup really, I don't know what it does, but it balances it out. I think maybe it could have done with maybe a little hint of salt, maybe even some cinnamon to spice things up a little bit, but overall I really like the flavor. I like banana flavors anyway. The flavour really good. Last thing, time. This was so quick to make. I was quite impressed by that actually, I'm not gonna lie. Simply mashing the banana, chucking in some oats and scrambling it as if it was an egg. 5 minutes tops. Really great when you're really busy in the morning and it felt really healthy to eat. You could put it with some berries as I did or some nuts, some chia seeds. You can bulk it up if you need to, but it was really filling. And given the fact that it took hardly any time to make, I think it's definitely worth the time investment. So overall, soft cereal or scrambled oats, I'm gonna give a 7 out of 10. I think it's the texture really that lets it down, but I'm also gonna try it out with Greek yogurt and see if that changes my mind. So I've just tried them again with some Greek yogurt, and this definitely elevates the score. If you can have these with Greek yogurt, I think it would be at least 8.5 out of 10. So we've leveled up from that 7, but the taste is so much more fuller, and the Greek yogurt is really creamy. I think it complements the texture and the flavors quite well. So Greek yogurt for the win. But overall, I think it's worth making, testing it out for yourself, seeing if it's something that you'd want to put inside of your breakfast routine because it is so quick and easy. If you try it out, let me know in the comments what you think, what you've paired it with, to see if that might change my mind or boost my score a little bit more. But all in all, give it a go. And if you want to see my verdict for any more viral recipes, stay tuned for the next video.